I'm in the bed, but on the sea. My skin is falling off my meat. My lungs are dry, and I still try. As hard as I cannot die. I have found God, but He has laughed on me for turning inside out. My lungs are brain, they are both dead. I had no worries yesterday. The time to see. Time's fast. Too fast for me. I'm throwing up.